Have you ever got curious looking at maps and tried to find where there are more than 3 countries that border each other in the same location? For example, the border between Finland, Sweden, and Norway here is called the tripoint. But do any quadripoints exist where there are 4 countries? Well, there is a place in the US where Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico all meet to form the Four Corners, which is a quadripoint. There also exists a quadripoint in Canada with Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Nunavut, and Northwest Territories forming the Canadian Four Corners. But are there any international quadripoints that exist? The world's closest quadripoint is between Mongolia, China, Kazakhstan, and Russia, where Kazakhstan and Mongolia's border are only 35 kilometers away from each other. Which is interesting because I could never imagine the 2 countries be so close together without bordering. Now the world's most famous example of an almost quadripoint between Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana, and Namibia, where only 135 meters of river separates them from this prestigious title. But for 8 months in 1960 and 1961, there was a true quadripoint between Nigeria, Cameroon, the United Kingdom, and Chad. However, upon Nigerian independence, the territory of Northern Cameroons was integrated into Nigeria's territory, which ultimately destroyed what would have been our dream for a true modern-day quadripoint.